Ya, ta Gaya reality channel lesson. Gaya reality channel ta. Gaya pepe doje den pepe re. Ya. Gaya reality channel. Mahabodhes price re. Lasta Mahabodhes price ni ako. Kanada channel. Pepe ni ya baba. Pepe ni. Ya. Nah. Ya, ta menjadi lebih bebas. Ini dosi menjadi lebih bebas. Lojo manjayung. Ta. Tale son India bebe namdan le cha son namdan le son namdan ah le ah seginde yes Okay. 다 지긴 쳐서 참았잖아. 다. 너네 기억난 바. 재밌지. 믹서로 가는데. 네. 센.
Lâu.
다 센. Ya gepo. What is in the Java change in Baba Rang main thing, Baba Rang someone to yeah. Oh yeah.
Singapore final call.
Singapore is full. Hello. Get the money, sure. Young, it's a killer. Can't you current the chain? Thunder. Thunder. Don't show. Don't so though. What is that? What is that? Namaste, namaste. How do you do it?
सभी अतिथियों से निवेदन है कि अपनी बड़ी बैग को सीट के ऊपर वाले सामान रखिए और छोटे बैग को सामने वाली सीट के नीचे रखें। आपातकालीन निकास वाले भोजन का ठेला रखें। अपने बैग ऊपर वाले सामान कक्ष में रखें। कृपया आगे किए रखें ताकि आपके सहयात्री आगे बढ़ सकें। किसी भी सहायता के लिए आप कैबिन क्रू से संपर्क कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। May I have your attention please? As we regularly request you to place only one baggage in the overhead bins. Smaller bags can be placed under the seat in front of you. Guests seated on emergency rows are requested to place their hand baggage in the overhead bins. Please keep your eyes clear. The desk behind you can be seen. Please feel free to contact the services.
Not giving
Tighten by pulling the strap. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will deploy from the panels above you. Don the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Make sure your mask is secured properly before assisting others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. Four doors in an emergency, seat-mounted lights and green light with arrows on the ceiling will guide you to the nearest exit. Your closest emergency exit may be behind you. During an evacuation, for your own safety and for the safety of others, you are required to leave your hand baggage in the aircraft. You will find the safety information on the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. इकोनॉमी क्लास में लाइफ वेस्ट सीट के नीचे रखी है। बिजनेस क्लास में लाइफ वेस्ट दो सीट्स के बीच वाले कंपार्टमेंट में रखी है। इन इकोनॉमी क्लास द लाइफ वेस्ट इज केप्ट अंडर द सीट। In business class, the life vest is kept in the center armrest compartment.
निर्देश के फुलाना और छेड़ना सख्त मना है। धन्यवाद। With unlike script of water evacuation, zip the life vest over your head and secure its strap around your waist. Enter exit. Pull the red toggle to inflate your life vest. Should it fail to inflate, blow into the tube. Each life vest has a light which gets activated when the battery comes in contact with water. Please note that life vest is to be used or inflated only in case of emergency water landing after authorization of cabin crew and not to be inflated or tampered with during normal circumstances. Thank you.
बिजनेस क्लास अतिथियों से निवेदन है कि अपनी निजी वस्तुएं जैसे मोबाइल फोन या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण आर्मरेस्ट के पास न रखें।